Hello and welcome, my friend. And then, my friend, I am planning to give you information that what are top 3 most common issues in our electric devices, like these very cheap products what are made in China, or also maybe sometimes in high quality tools also. That what are those 3 most common issues? First one is, like in my case, is that this electric cable goes broken totally or only in insides. This is the thing number 1, that cable or then this battery becomes bad. This is number 1. And then second thing is that what is very common, that when we open this cover, and actually in that way, this protective cover, and we look in here inside, the second biggest thing is that these small coils in here, this area, what are in this rotor area in here, these coils becomes bad. They actually burn out. And we can look this area closer next. Okay, and this area's purpose is to move electricity inside in this motor. And when these parts moves in that way, these parts in here, this is coil, that part what I am moving, and now we can see this area. This area is in burn out, or there is corrosion inside in that area. This is very common that there is corrosion. And then third point is that we have this electric motor, like in my one and my case, and this can burn out and goes broken. Like in my case, we can look in their inner area and there are black spots in here. Let's go to look that area. In here we can see that there is black thing, and this means that these copper things, they are broken. And in my case, this electric motor is bad. And then third thing is that, actually fourth thing is that when we have this trigger what starts this our electric device, these parts inside components goes badly. It is fourth thing. And fifth thing is that we have in here this bearing, and this bearing file rest in here. That one small part, we can look like in cars, we have bearings in here. They goes bad. And then fifth and final part is that when we have in here these gears, this one, that these burn out, especially that area in here where we have these joints and these parts burn out, and then there is no any movement. But in that my current electric device, there was issue that this motor is bad. And if we have quality items like this Makita, what I can recommend, we can purchase spare parts in this Makita product. But normally these Makitas, they last 10 to 20 years. And that's, we don't need very often these parts. And that's, my friend, this is the brand what professionals and I use. And I recommend that one also to you.